Can we do like a confessional where I'm...
Are you drunk?
No. You are just so narcissistic and always want the camera on you. So jealous of me? Like it's like you're so jealous of me.
If you don't know, that's Chinese grandpa's other grandchild. Less loved, clearly. You show the insecurities.
No, he actually doesn't like me, and I'm okay with that.
This got awkward.
That man loves me. I know that. Haters are gonna hate.
This is officially Fake Food Show's first vlog, so bear with me. It's a learning experience, you know? I'm just going through it for the first time. I don't know what the rules are about vlogging and driving, but I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to do that. And my arm is tired as hell right now. Excuse my voice, by the way, because, you know, the Celtics just won the NBA championship. Big Celtics fan over here, you know, we're in Boston. Chinese grandpa, big Celtics fan. We just went to the parade. I lost my voice, got a little sick. And also shout out to Chinese grandma. She heard I was feeling a little sick, a little under the weather, so she made me some special herbal tea, some medicinal tea to, you know, help me feel better for this day. And I'm not gonna lie, it tasted like but it made me feel better. But today is a special day because it's Chinese grandpa and I's first family reunion. Now, you know, I see Chinese grandpa all the time, but we don't see the rest of our family all too often. You know how families are. People got beef with each other, you know, people don't like each other, you know. That's what makes it special, especially with Chinese grandpa and grandma getting older. They're looking forward to this, and we got family coming out from California, Arizona. Chinese grandpa sent me to go get a pig for him in Chinatown, so that's where we're gonna go right now. We're gonna get a pig. I hope it's cooked, you know, because then we're gonna have to chop it ourselves, like in Rush Hour 2 when Chris Tucker gets a live chicken. So we're gonna go to Chinatown, get some pig, get some baked goods at the bakery, bring it to the family reunion per request of Chinese grandma, because I don't want them to kick my ass. And of course, my dad, he can't show up anywhere without cooking a feast for people. So he's gonna make, I think, what New England is best known for. I know people like lobster rolls when they think of New England, Maine, Boston, whatever. But I think the best seafood here are fried clams. Fried clams here are elite. It's gonna be a good day full of family, food, and fun. Fake Food Show. Family, food, and fun. Let's go.
Yart. What's up, everybody? Make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe. All right, don't include that.
Gotta get these because the half Asian, half white people love hot dog bows. Glizzy Gods and blessed me. Looks like I'm bringing more to the family reunion. Because we're about to eat it. We didn't die to become bacon.
Oh, it's face. Oh no, that made me sad.
You remember the last time we put a body in the trunk? Chinese grandpa knows. He was in the mafia. Alright, so we got all of our stuff. Got the pig. Rest in peace to the pig. Hurt my heart to see. Got the baked goods. Now we're headed to the reunion. We've done a lot of videos in Boston Chinatown, so if you want to know specific places to eat in Boston Chinatown, watch the videos first because I've done a lot of them. We'll probably do another one soon.
When I turn up, you get going. At every stop, baby, oh, it's showing. If I should stay, you find a reason to leave. When I'm busy, that's the time you are free. Just tell me, what should I do?
You're just getting your hands all over it, but that's cool.
Oh, hi.
Hi, Gunga.
Granddaughter, the beautiful one.
I'm the beautiful one.
You're a very smart one, too. Nicholas, how are you?
Fantastic, Hong Kong. How are you?
This is my another big son-in-law.
Big.
Son-in-law? You're not your son-in-law.
No,
You also
grandson.
call me Big.
Very strong.
Evan, I have to tell you something. Somebody recognized me from a video and DM'd one of my friends and said, is this Jasmine? Wait, let me pull it up. Hey, does your friend Jasmine have a famous cousin and grandpa on YouTube? And then screenshotted me in the lobster video.
V, you got people DMing your wife.
She's famous.
We auditioned for a TV show. Me, my cousin Jasmine, an old guy. I don't think we got it because they didn't get back to us, but you know, if you see a minority on that show, they're the minority hired.
It was supposed to be us.
Maybe
You
we
never
on
know.
season 2.
I know exactly why we didn't get it.
Found another Asian family.
Yeah. Hey, can we do like a confessional where I'm...
Are you drunk?
No. I have been recognized. You are just so narcissistic and always want the camera on you. Cold hard cash.
You gotta get in the...
No, this reminds me of Cartoon Network when you never see the face. It's cold hard cash. I want the cash. I don't want the checks. I don't want a debit card. I don't want a credit card. Cold hard cash.
She's drunk out of her mind right now.
So jealous of me? Like it's like you're so jealous of me. Haters are gonna hate.
If you don't know, that's Chinese grandpa's other grandchild. Less loved, clearly. To show the insecurities.
No, he actually doesn't like me, and I'm okay with that.
This got awkward.
I made it awkward for you. Yeah, because he's always talking shit like that, and see, I just made it awkward. That man loves me. I know that.
I need to have what she's having.
2 Mai Tais.
What's wrong with the My Chinese? So you're gonna cry?
Oh, no, I don't need to cry.
He's gonna cry.
Oh, no.
So I put $20 in, okay? Let's see how much I won. I really haven't counted yet. 5, 10, 9, 30, 31. 36, 75. Celtics in 5, huh? Derek White.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Didn't get the chance to talk to you much after the family reunion. I didn't get to ask you. You happy that the Celtics won the championship? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. 18 times.
He's not faking it. He used to watch Bob Cousy.
Bob Cousy, Sam Jones.
Who's your favorite player now?
Tatum. And you won, you like it, the number 9.
Yeah, Derek White.
Yeah,
and
Derek White.
Did you enjoy yourself at the family reunion?
Oh, beautiful. I can see your cousins all together.
You enjoyed the food?
I enjoy meeting everybody, the family. A lot better than the food.
You met your great-grandchild?
Oh, yeah, my great-grandson.
Not mine. Not my kid. I don't, in the hell no.
I hope you have a marry, have a young kid, as soon as it's possible. I expect it. Why not?
I don't know about that, go. Yeah, it was good to see everybody, right? All the uncles, all the aunties.
Yeah.
How come all the older Chinese ladies all have the same haircut?
Really?
Yeah, you ever
I don't
notice?
see that. I don't see
They all got the puffy, they kind of look like Kobe in his prime haircut.
Maybe the kind of culture.
I have this theory that you know how men when they get older they grow bald, alopecia.
Oh, you're like me.
When older Chinese women hit a certain age, they just wake up and their hair turns into that.
Yeah, that's true.
Do you think we should do that every year? A Chinese reunion once a year?
I like it too.
Yeah.
I'm getting to know you. I like to see everybody.
I mean, you see me.
Well, I always see you anyway. You cooking.
So it's funny you say that. I'm gonna make you some breakfast.
When are you making it for me? We taste the food you cook. Have in other love.
All right, so Gung Gung, I'm gonna cook for you. After I cook for Chinese grandpa, we're gonna go swimming in his pool because Chinese grandpa has a pool. Crazy, right? It's that Chinese mafia money.
Nice.
I don't cry when I cut onions.
You're unbelievable. You're like your father. Good cook.
When I try different foods, I feel like certain foods taste good
You want
together.
to invent something.
Yeah, I want to experiment, yeah. I wouldn't say I'm a good cook, I just, you know, experiment. Ah, that shit popping. Notice good Chinese restaurants, they taste like, you know why? It's because the chefs, not only are they expert, but they smoke the cigarette while cooking, so the taste of the cigarette gets into the food, you know?
When I was in charge of the kitchen, I don't let them smoke it. You know, I put air conditioning in there.
But the first time you cooked in the kitchen, Gung Gung, like at a restaurant, like your first day, were you nervous?
No, I don't scare at all.
Because I'm cooking right now in the kitchen at home for you and I'm nervous.
What do you think he's gonna make you?
It's gonna be some kind of like salmon cheese or something like that.
You know, you go to Dunkin' Donuts, you get a sausage, egg and cheese on a croissant. Yeah. There's like a Chinese breakfast sandwich, you know? Let's see if I can crack it with one hand, like Bobby Flay and Eddie's $1 Million Cook-Off. Nah, I can't.
You're dancing good. When are you gonna dance it?
I dance like Michael Jackson.
You look like Michael Jackson. Oh yeah.
Black Michael Jackson or white Michael Jackson?
Well, you turned to the white anyway. Oh.
Okay, America's Got Talent. Okay. Oh, kill him! Kill him!
It's a little something. Breakfast is served.
Wow, about damn time.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
Oh great.
So great.
I'm not even gonna talk.
Be honest, if it's bad, you can say it's bad.
Everything came out from mouth to the mouth. Everything just true.
You once told me you're a professional bullshit.
I love it. Good for the last bite.
Good for the first bite too.
Papa, what do you think?
Very good.
Very good, Papa.
I would order this over sausage, egg, and cheese.
Thank you, chef.
That sandwich is $15, so I'll take cash, Venmo.
Okay, that's a deal. But you gonna come to my house, using my kitchen, using my oils, using my everything. They're not gonna charge you too.
Okay, Gung Gung. So you're just enjoying life, right?
Oh yes.
Beautiful day by the pool. That concludes the video of the Chinese family reunion and the Celtics winning the championship and me cooking breakfast. If you like this vlog, let us know if you want to see more vlogs in the future. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, for Chinese Grandpa, for Evan Yee, Fake Food Show, we out. Peace. You're gonna jump in the pool now?
I do a cannonball.